first attracted you to SsangYong as a brand?
It was the attractive price and the warranty, and the fact to get a new car for the price of a second-hand car.
Well, that's unusual. So what stands out most for you with your SsangYong?
It's the reliability. I've never been back to the garage apart from regular servicing. It's the economy, and it's very comfortable to drive as well.
Okay. And how do you find it when you're towing the Korando?
It tows my caravan. It's a big caravan. It tows it really well. I've had no issues on muddy fields or icy roads. Last year going through some snow, no problem whatsoever. Four-wheel drive is brilliant.
That's good. What about the load space? I know caravanners tend to load their cars up pretty much.
The boot is really big. I get a load of stuff in there, but I need more space. All you do is fold the back seat down. It's so easy to fold the back seat down. It's a nice level playing field as well. Loads of room in the boot for the stuff that I need to carry.
And last question, what would you say about your SsangYong to a prospective customer?
Try it. You'll be really surprised at what SsangYong gives you. It's economical, it's smooth to drive, it's got great load space, it's actually a pretty good tow car at the end of the day. So try a SsangYong and you'll be surprised again.
Thank you very much, David. Appreciate it.